Bitch, you know me name. Yeah. Steps on the pavement, questions in the night. Every move I take, I'm searching for the light. Dark clouds nest me, storms in disguise. Still I keep walking with fire in my eyes. Dreams on my shoulders, patience in my chest. Rushing through the world only leaves me less. Fall then I rise, wisdom in my tone. Carving out a path I can claim as my own. Gold fades quick, but truth will remain. Honesty the crown that no thief can claim. One word spoken can light up the flame. Goodness leaves a mark, eternal in name. Time keeps moving, it don't ever wait. Strong are the ones who stand up to fate. Legacy stays when the moment is gone. Respect is the throne and the spirit lives on.